Have you ever wished that you could have a personal AI writer that perfectly captures your unique voice and writing style? Well, now you can. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can train ChatGPT to write with your voice and style and brand so that every piece of content that it creates is a true reflection of yourself. So pretend that you work for BuzzFeed and you have an article here and you want ChatGPT to copy the style of writing that you have. So what you need to do is just click copy on this particular text. And next, what you need to do is use this magic prompt. Analyze the following text for its style and tone of voice. Apply the same level of formality and professional tone to all your future responses. And here is where you insert your writing. We're going to copy this article or writing or whatsoever and paste it here for ChatGPT to analyze your writing. Click enter. So what ChatGPT does is that it's going to start analyzing your writing and learning how to write just like you. As you can see, it's giving the responses because it has successfully learned the style and writing of that particular text. So this is ultimately where you have completed learning your entire style. Next, what you can do is ask ChatGPT to write any other text or email or landing page in the form of the style that you have just learned. For example, we're going to ask it to write me an article to promote ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT is that you'll start incorporating all the style that you have learned from that piece of article that you have given it. So as you can see, the way it has written is very similar to the style, the branding, the tone of voice that it has just learned. As you can see here, standout features is definitely something that BuzzFeed will definitely use. With knowledge cutoff of 2021, so definitely something which is the style very similar to BuzzFeed. But I'm going to give you a special tip to make sure that its writing will be so much more powerful. And that is to ensure that whenever you ask it to learn a particular style, is to define what that particular text is about. For example, analyze the following email for its style and tone of voice. Analyze the following news article for its style and tone of voice. Or analyze the following marketing brochure for its style and tone of voice. The more defined that you can give ChatGPT, it will make it so much more effective because it will have a clearer understanding on the type of style and tone of voice and what you're going to use it for. So with that, you won't need to worry about how come your brand or your article sounds differently from one and another. It will always consistently sound or write similarly the same. That is a way on how you as an entrepreneur, a digital marketer, or someone who just loves your brand voice to stay consistent throughout in all your content creation process. If you like more advanced tips like this, do check out the links in the description below on how you can be a pro ChatGPT user. Also, if you like more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and watch some of my videos that will be appearing up here. That's all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.